Samsung Galaxy Fold Fold, a rumored screen dimension has emerged. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, yesterday we have talked about the battery capacity of both the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. According to the leak, the Z Fold 4 was coming with a similar battery capacity as its predecessor, whereas the Z Flip 4 was coming with an upgraded 3700 mAh battery capacity. So definitely there is a jump in the Z Flip 4, whereas the Z Fold 4 is sticking with same old battery. Honestly, I expect from Samsung that they should provide a better battery capacity, at least 5000 mAh in their foldable lineup. And you're moving towards today's leak. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 aspect ratio has been emerged, and it is coming from the similar source, the Ice Universe, which is a reliable tipster. And according to his leak, the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 internal display will be a slightly wider panel while narrowing the length, resulting in a 6:5 aspect ratio. Also, he believes that the cover display will also be a tad shorter than the Z Fold 3 with a square aspect ratio. Comparing it with the Z Fold 3, it has a 24.5:9 aspect ratio, while the upcoming Z Fold 4 is set to arrive with a 23:9 aspect. He also shared an image where both the panels are overlapping. It gives us a pretty much good idea about the Z Fold 4, which is a little bit wider and a little bit shorter as compared to Fold 3. Well, moving forward, the same source is also claiming that the Z Fold 4 is very light, lighter than its predecessor. As you know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was coming with a dual hinge mechanism, which added to the weight of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But there are certainly reports about the Z Fold 4, which is going to be coming with different specification, like it's going to be having a single hinge instead of dual, which means that the upcoming Fold 4 will be lighter. So definitely we have to wait for some other leaks to confirm it. And your other details about the Z Fold 4 is that it's coming Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor, a new and faster and improved UFS 4.0 storage. Alongside with that, it's also going to be coming with upgraded camera sensor, like it's expected to be coming with 108 megapixel of a main sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel of a telephoto lens. As far as the pricing is concerned, for the Z Fold 4, it is expected that Samsung this time around will be lowering the price of their foldable lineup, as they believe that this is the best chance when there is less competitor and they could dominate the fold market. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the new display dimensions? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.